So what we're looking at right now is Recruit, right? And Recruit is all about hiring workflow flow flexibility. We're all about customization, driving accountability with hiring managers. Everyone logs in and sees exactly what they need to do. We are a very task-driven ATS. So when you look here on the upper left-hand side, what you'll see is 147, and those are the tasks that are assigned to me. Basically, candidates where there's something that I need to do. We're going to do a few things here together. We're going to build a job relatively quickly, show you how to add AI resume review, how to add Spark Hire into the workflow. And then we're going to actually look at a candidate that completed a one-way video interview and how seamless it is to navigate through that workflow. So what we're going to do first is click on this blue button here, and we're going to create a brand new position. Let's say that we are looking for let's go with a sales manager role. So I'm just going to add that position. Now, when I add that position, the first thing that Recruit is going to do is take me to the workflow, which makes perfect sense. This is the backbone of the entire recruiting process. So this is really where we should begin. And right here, I see some of the steps, which are all fully customizable, but some steps that I want to make some changes in. So I'm actually going to start my first step with AI resume review. What that means is that when a candidate applies, the very first thing that happens is the AI resume review will review their resume, compare it against the requirements for the role, and let you know the strength of the fit of that candidate based on those requirements. So I'm going to auto start, which means that the review happens automatically when a candidate applies. And then down here, you'll see what we have the ability to do, which is to determine, well, if the AI resume review defines them as a strong fit or a good fit, I actually want to have them automatically advance to the next step. If they're a partial or low fit, I'm going to add a review step where I can just double check and make sure, do we want to move forward with this candidate or not? Do not worry. AI resume review does not reject candidates without you seeing them. You are the one that makes that final determination on the candidate, not the AI resume review. We're here to help you prioritize the review of those candidates so you can get to the best fit ones first. Okay, so now that I've created what that first step is going to look like, I know for a lot of people on this call, you're all Meet customers. The next thing we want to do is we want to get rid of the phone screen, and we want to replace that with a one-way video interview. So that's what we're going to do here. And I'm going to add Spark Hire as a step. And right from Recruit, I can select the question set that I want to deploy. I could even click here, and it'll show me the questions as well as the pressure settings. And then I could set the expiration, as you can within Meet. And I could say, you know what, I want to keep it tight. We're on a tight deadline. Or you know what, there's a holiday coming up. Maybe I want to be a little bit more flexible with the candidate. And then auto start as well. What auto start means here is that when the candidate gets to this stage, the invitation automatically goes out. I don't have to press anything. So I want you to imagine being in Recruit, a candidate applies for a role. Without you touching anything, the AI resume review reviews the candidate. And if that candidate's a strong or a good fit, it'll automatically move them to the next stage in the process, which is the Spark Hire stage. And then the invites automatically go out. So you've done AI resume review to filter out the top of funnel, then the one-way video interview to filter it out even more. And you're watching videos, and that's the first time you're ever really clicking in once you've published that position. So incredible levels of efficiency.